Hello everyone, this is OM Prakash and today we are going to discuss the second part of linear equations in one variable, and in this the first topic is solving equations having the variable on both sides. Okay, so 2x minus 3 is equal to x plus 2. You can see LHS also, RHS also, we have variable. How we can solve this? We will see 2x minus 3 minus x is x, RHS x, we have shifted to LHS, so minus x, that is equal to 2. So x is equal to 2 plus 3 means 2x minus x, that will be x, and this 3 will be shifted right side, so that will be 2 plus 3. So the value of x, what we got? 5. One more example we will see. 2x upon 3 plus 1 is equal to 7x upon 15 plus 3. Dear students, in this type of question, many students do mistake. What mistake? They apply cross multiplication, but in actual situation, we cannot apply at this situation cross multiplication. We have to do some work. As we don't have anything here, so we will take 1 in denominator, here also in denominator 1, then we will go for LCM of 3 and 1 left hand side and 15 and 3 right hand side. After doing so, then we can do cross multiplication. But right now we have another option, that why not this variable term we will shift to left hand side, means 7x upon 15, and 1 to right hand side. That would be the easiest method to solve this question. Dear students, in previous session also you must have learned that with different methods you can simplify the equations, you can solve the equations. Okay, now it is the better option to shift 7x upon 15 to LHS side and 1 to RHS, that we have done. Now LCM of 15 and 3, that is 15. Then 10x minus 7 here, that is equal to 2, 3 minus 1. Now 3x upon 15, that is equal to 2, 3, 5 are 15, that will be cancelled. So x will be equal to 2 into 5, that x value we got 10. The value of x we got 10. Okay. Coming to next question, that is next example, example 3rd. Arjun is twice as old as Shriya. 5 years ago, his age was 3 times Shriya's age. Find their present ages. Dear students, for this question you have to see grammatically also. As per grammar also, here we use the word was. So in which tense it comes, that also you have to see. Accordingly you have to act also. Okay, I am going to start. Let Shriya's present age be x years. Now Arjun is twice as old as Shriya. So Arjun present age will be 2x. Dear students, coming to the next, that if suppose your age is 3 years, after 5 years what will means? After age what will be that? 13. And in actual, if you see some of the students who is present here, their age will be maybe 13 years. After 5 years what will be their age? 13 plus 5, that is 18. So Shriya's age, if you will go back, and if you will go back, then 5 years before, 13 minus 5. So in this case, Shriya's age is 5 years ago. So x minus 5 years, and Arjun's age 2x minus 5 years, 5 years ago. According to question resistance, you can see that here in the statement what it is saying, 5 years ago his age was 3 times. Whose age? Arjun's age. So we can multiply here by 3. By 3 we will multiply. You can see here that it is 3 times. So by 3 we will multiply. Then both the ages will be equal distance, and we will proceed then 2x minus 3x, this 3x we have shifted to LHS side, and this 5 3 are 15, that is minus sign, and minus sign will be shifted, this minus 5 will be shifted to RHS, that will be plus 5. So the value of x will be minus x is equal to minus 10. So x is equal to 10. Students, what do we have supposed? Shreya's age as x, so hence Shreya's present age is equal to x, that is equal to 10 years, and Arjun's present age, that is 2x, which we have supposed here 2x. So 2 into 20, that will be 20 years, dear students. Okay, students, let's come to the new topic. Reducing equations to simpler form. Dear students, some complex type of equation you will get, you can see in front of you. So we have to reduce to the simpler form. So that topic we have to do. 5x minus 2 into bracket start 2x minus 7 bracket close, that is equal to 2 into bracket start 3x minus 1 plus 7 upon 2. This means 5x I have written as it is. Then this 2 means minus 2 I have multiplied to minus means 2x. So it becomes minus 4x. Minus 2 multiplied with 2x becomes minus 4x. Minus 2 with minus 7 we will multiply, we will get plus 14. This side 2 into 3x, 6x, and minus 1 into 2, that is minus 2, plus 7 upon 2 as it is. This means we have proceeded that 5x minus 4x, that is equal to x plus 14, and this 6x shifted to LHS side, that becomes minus 6, that is equal to minus 2 plus 7 upon 2. Okay, in the next step, minus 5x means x minus 6x, that becomes minus 5x equal to minus 2 plus 7 upon 2 minus 14. In the next step you can see minus 5x equals minus 16 upon 1 plus 7 upon 2. Actually it is 16, so denominator I have 1, I have given 2. Take LCM of 1 and 2. So LCM is 2 only, and further after calculation we got minus 25 upon 2, dear students. Okay, so minus 5x is equal to minus 25 upon 2, minus minus cancelled. This 5 also we will shift to right hand side. So x is equal to 25 upon 2 into 5, that is by 5 it is cancelled. So x value we got 5 upon 2, dear students. Okay, so by this way we will reduce to the simpler form, and we will get the value of variable means solution of the equation. In the next part you can see that next topic, equations reducible to simpler form. Students, here also you can see that the best example of cross multiplication, that how we have to do and in which situation we have to do. X plus 2 upon 5x plus 8, that is equal to 5 upon 24. Difference. The question is this example is relevant to NCERT example only. When you will see your exercise question, then you will get that. Cross multiplication we have to apply. So RHS denominators we multiply with LHS numerator, and LHS denominator with RHS numerator. That process we have done. And 24 multiplied to x plus 2, then 24x plus 48, and right hand side 25x plus 40, means 5 5 is 25, 5 8 is 40, like that. So this 25x now shifted to LHS side, 24x minus 25x, and right hand side 40 minus 48, dear students. So minus x is equal to minus 8, and by this minus minus cancelled, and the value of x we got as in 8. Students, by this the second chapter has been concluded now. Again we will meet with a new chapter. Till then, bye bye. Thank you.
Like, share and subscribe. Thank you.